In today's video, we're tackling a hot topic: Content Raptor versus SurferSEO. If you've been wondering which of these tools is the best fit for your SEO needs, then we're here to break it all down for you. By the end of this video, you'll know what makes each of these tools unique, the strengths and weaknesses of both Content Raptor and SurferSEO, how they compare in pricing, usability, and key features, and ultimately which tool might be the better choice for you. So let's go ahead and get started. What are Content Raptor and SurferSEO? So before diving into the specifics, let's set the stage with an overview of what these tools do. Content Raptor is a budget-friendly, all-in-one SEO optimization tool designed to help you enhance your content with actionable insights. Now, what sets it apart is its seamless integration with Google Search Console, which allows it to analyze your site's performance and identify areas for improvement. Now, it's perfect for small businesses, agencies, and individual site owners who want an affordable way to manage and improve their SEO. On the other hand, SurferSEO is a powerhouse tool for on-page SEO optimization. It's been around since 2017, and it's gained a loyal following among SEO professionals and content marketers. What really makes SurferSEO stand out is its ability to analyze top-ranking pages for any keyword and provide precise recommendations to match or outperform them. Its advanced features like the content editor and the SERP analyzer make it a favorite among those who demand detailed, data-driven insights. Both tools promise to optimize your content for search engines, but the way that they approach this task and the audience that they cater to are very different. Key features comparison: content optimization, AI power versus precision. Optimized content is the backbone of effective SEO. Here's how these two tools tackle it. Content Raptor uses an AI rewrite tool to simplify content optimization. With Content Raptor, you simply highlight the section that you want to improve, and then the AI rewrites it seamlessly, integrating those keywords naturally. This saves time, especially if you manage multiple websites or you work with teams that might lack advanced SEO knowledge. Another benefit is that Content Raptor offers unlimited AI rewrites, even on its most affordable plan, which is really kind of rare in the SEO tool market that these two tools fall under. SurferSEO's content editor, on the other hand, is like having a personal SEO coach. It provides real-time suggestions as you write, ensuring that your content aligns with search engine standards. Now, what sets SurferSEO apart is its content scoring system. So as you write or edit, you can see your content score increase, giving you a clear indication of how close you are to full optimization. So Content Raptor shines with its simplicity and affordability, making it ideal for beginners or those managing content at scale. And SurferSEO, on the other hand, offers really unmatched precision and depth, making it a better choice for advanced users. Keyword research: streamlined versus comprehensive. Content Raptor focuses on leveraging your existing Google Search Console data to highlight high potential keywords. Now, this approach is practical and it saves time since it's based on real performance data. SurferSEO's keyword research tool is more comprehensive. Now, it not only identifies keywords, but it also provides data on search volume, difficulty, and trends. Another standout feature is its ability to group keywords into clusters, allowing you to target multiple related keywords in a single piece of content. So this is especially useful for creating pillar pages or in-depth guides. So the detailed takeaway is, if you need quick, actionable keyword insights, then Content Raptor gets the job done. But if you're planning a more nuanced, long-term keyword strategy, then SurferSEO's advanced research capabilities are definitely worth the investment. A/B testing, data-driven decisions. A/B testing allows you to experiment with different versions of your content to see what works best. Now, this is a feature that really sets Content Raptor apart. So Content Raptor includes automatic A/B testing as part of its standard offering. After making optimizations, the tool tracks performance metrics like click-through rates and rankings to determine whether the changes had a positive impact or not. Now, SurferSEO doesn't have built-in A/B testing, which is definitely a notable gap for users who want to validate their strategies through real-world data. If you're someone who values testing and refining strategies, then Content Raptor's A/B testing is really a game changer. SERP analysis, basic insights versus deep dive. Understanding your competition is critical for ranking higher. Content Raptor focuses on identifying opportunities from your own Google Search Console data. Now, while it offers actionable insights, it doesn't provide a detailed breakdown of competitor strategies. SurferSEO's SERP Analyzer is one of its strongest features. It examines the top ranking pages for any keyword and provides data on content length, keyword density, backlinks, and even domain authority. SurferSEO wins here, offering a level of competitive analysis that Content Raptor simply doesn't match. Rank tracking, monitoring progress over time. Both tools allow you to monitor the performance of your optimizations. Content Raptor includes rank tracking as part of its base plan, allowing you to track up to 150 keywords per site with daily updates. The interface is straightforward and shows trends over time, making it easy to spot improvements or declines. SurferSEO doesn't have built-in rank tracking, but it integrates with other tools to provide similar functionality. However, this can add complexity and cost. So for users who want an all-in-one solution, Content Raptor's built-in rank tracking is a clear advantage. Pricing, affordability versus advanced features. So Content Raptor starts at just $47 per month. Now, despite its low price, it offers unlimited AI rewrites, A/B testing, and keyword tracking. Now, this makes it a steal for small businesses and agencies. SurferSEO starts at $99 per month with additional features unlocked at higher tiers. Now, while the cost is higher, the advanced capabilities justify the investment for users who need the detailed, data-driven insights that SurferSEO gives you. So while Content Raptor is unbeatable for the budget-conscious users, SurferSEO delivers more value for those with bigger budgets and advanced needs. So let's quickly do a quick walkthrough of both of these apps so you can see what they look like inside. So we'll go ahead and start with Content Raptor. So when you first log into your Content Raptor account, which you can do so by clicking the link down below in the description to get started, you're gonna be met here with the dashboard, and it's gonna ask you to connect your Google Search Console. So you do so just by clicking here and following the on-screen instructions. Then over here on the left-hand side, we have the sort of menu layout bar here. So again, we're currently here in the dashboard, but we can come down here to the Content Optimizer. And again, since I don't have my Google Search Console connected, there's nothing really to see here. But under the Content Optimizer, we have Optimizer tasks. So here it'll give you tasks to go ahead and optimize your content so it ranks higher. Next, we have different keyword opportunities. So again, this is going to be pulling from your Google Search Console data and showing you opportunities that you might already be doing decent at, where you can go ahead and use that to go rank even higher. And we have high opportunity pages and test results. Now coming over here on the left-hand side, we have the rank tracker over here. There's a tracking overview here, as well as the project section here and portfolio rankings. So here we can see SurferSEO looks fairly similar to Content Raptor. So let's go ahead and take a look at the keyword research to start. So this is where you can go ahead and start your keyword research. As you can see, I've already started with 2 keywords here, one for yoga, one for fat loss. If you come in here to yoga, we can go ahead and see all the different keywords that is connected to. So there's some different ways that you can filter over here based on intent, based on the clusters of keywords or the number of keywords that you want, as well as the search volume. And over here, you can also sort by most relevant, search volume high to low to high, and then difficulty high to low or low to high. So I like to come in here and put this on difficulty low to high. And this is going to show you the ones that are going to be the easiest to rank for. So let's say you wanted to use yoga therapy. For some reason, you figured that would be a good keyword to go and rank for. You can go ahead and click on this little writing button right here. And this is going to bring you over to the content editor, where you can go ahead and use 1 credit to go ahead and use the content editor. I'll go ahead and open up the content editor for something that I've been using already. And this is where, again, you can come in here and it's like having your personal SEO coach. Over here on the right-hand side, you can see the content score. You can see right now it's at 58 out of 100. So there's definitely room for improvement. And what's great is that it tells me how I can improve it. So if we come down here to the content structure, we can see that the words, it's currently at 730 words. And again, based on this keyword, it went ahead and looked at other articles and it says that I should be between 1,700 and 1,955 words. So if I get my word count up, this is going to go ahead and get that score up. It's also saying I should use more headings. I'm currently using 11 headings, but it should be somewhere between 17 to 28 headings. I should have more paragraphs and I should have some images. And then there's also more keywords here that I can go ahead and add. And so this is a really helpful tool to make sure that your content is going to rank high in SEO. So if you want to get started with SurferSEO, we'll have a link for it down in the description. You go ahead, click on that link, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. But if Content Raptor seemed more your speed, then we also have a link for Content Raptor as well, which you can go ahead and click and get started with down below in the description. Who should use each of these tools? So Content Raptor is ideal for beginners looking for an affordable and easy to use tool. It's great for agencies managing multiple clients or multiple websites. Perfect for users who value A/B testing and built-in rank tracking. On the other hand, SurferSEO is perfect for professional SEOs and marketers who need detailed competitor analysis. It's also great for content creators focused on precision and in-depth optimization, or businesses with large budgets who are looking for a comprehensive solution. So which is better? Well, it ultimately depends on your priorities. Choose Content Raptor if you're looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly tool with features like A/B testing and unlimited AI rewrites. And choose SurferSEO if you're maybe a little bit more advanced user who needs detailed content recommendations and those competitive insights. So that wraps up our comparison of Content Raptor and SurferSEO. Now, if you want to get started with either of these products, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel by allowing us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.